Good morning. Welcome to CurrencyChange Daily Foreign Exchange Report on Monday, 14th of October 2013. My name is Laurent Kilbaud, Managing Director at CurrencyChange.com, low-cost solution for international payment. You can open an account for free with us and no obligation to exchange on CurrencyChange.com. No progress has been done during the weekend on the US budget or debt ceiling. With the US on holiday today for US Columbus Day, there is still potential for political progress to be made before market reopen in the US tomorrow. The chances of a genuine US default are very small, that's what the market has priced. But the partial government shutdown means that a temporary extension of the debt ceiling may well not be good news, as it will allow the shutdown to continue for longer without anyone feeling any urgency to come to an agreement on the budget. IMF Christine Lagarde has warned that default will be a massive problem and a big impact on the markets. Few outcomes from here seems likely to be sustainably US dollar positive, but bad news on the budget could be expected to be short-term US dollar positive. In terms of Europe, no real big news. For UK, sterling declined last week after the weak industrial production data undermined sentiment, but the underlying trend in industrial production remains strong, and there is potential for sentiment to improve this week in response to the UK employment data, with the unemployment rate having potentially to fall. This is a key release for this week. There are some other significant releases around this number in the form of inflation on Tuesday. We'll have retail sales for the UK on Thursday. But given markets currently implied disbelief in the bank's labour market assumptions, the perceived path of unemployment remains the key crucial arbiter of implied policy rate expectation and then the key statistic to move sterling potentially. Markets will watch the Treasury Secretary hearing of Bank of England Deputy Governor designate Sir John Cunliffe, who will replace the former one, Paul Tucker, who steps down on the 18th of October. In terms of live exchange rate, we're currently trading live on sterling dollar at 159.67, 20 pips lower than on Friday. Sterling euro 117.80, 20 pips lower. Euro dollar 135.50, slightly stable with Friday. Sterling Australian dollar stable also 168.64, and sterling New Zealand dollar at 191, slightly lower. In terms of economic agenda for today, with UK time, we have the ECOFIN meeting for the ECB, which is Eurozone, which is meeting today. At 9:30 UK time, CPI September expected 2.6%, and then PPI expected at 1.3%, and we'll have at 10 o'clock the Eurozone survey economic sentiment expected for October at 49.6, which could move the euro. If you require further information, visit now at CurrencyChange.com or contact us on +44 027 373 2686. Have a great week.